Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe guys, I will share with you on how to make this very delicious and totally irresistible gizzard sauce. You are going to enjoy this one. Meanwhile, if today is your first time here, just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. I share simple amazing recipes that you will like. Thank you as you do that. So guys, let's just go right into the recipe. We'll be using chicken gizzard for this, so I'm just going to pour this chicken gizzard. It has already been cleaned. I'll pour this into the pan, adding little bits of salt, and I'll go in with this minced ginger and garlic paste. I'll just add like 1 tablespoon of this. Mix everything together thoroughly. Cover the pan and allow this to dry up. Few minutes later, this is what you should have. It has already dried up, so we're adding little vegetable oil, and this is what we are using to cook this food. So I'm going to stir this all together so that it can fry a little bit in this vegetable oil. So the next ingredient we're going in is our carrot. I've already washed and cut this carrot, so I'll add the carrot to this and allow this to fry. The actual taste is what makes the difference in this, because you are going to get rid of all those smell that comes with gizzard. So that is what we achieve through this method. I've added in here some onions, and here I'm going in with blended sesame oil. I'll go in with soy sauce, and I'm using the light soy sauce for this. Right now, go in with some hot sauce. This is for just that extra heat. You just want it a little bit spicy. So go on and stir this all together. Just take a look at this guys, it's already coming together. So the next thing we'll be adding is our coconut milk. So I'm using this processed coconut milk for this. So guys, after stirring everything together, we'll just go in with little water to loosen this sauce and make sure that the gizzard is cooked properly. Minutes later, the aroma is already filling the whole kitchen, and I'm going in with my corn flour mixture. Just mix corn flour with water. Now I'll be adding in my bell peppers into this. I've added in some red and green pepper. Here is my fresh leek. So I'll just go on and mix everything together thoroughly. So I've added in some seasoning powder just to intensify the taste of this sauce. You can eat this sauce on its own. This gizzard sauce is so good, and it can pair with almost everything you want to pair it with. After I had a taste of it, there was a need to add a little more salt. You should just do that at the end of the cooking, so you won't end up with over salty food. So the last thing I've added here is some spring onion. I know I added fresh leek, but spring onion just makes everything complete. Just stir this all together. Take a look at this. This is so good. I'll be pairing mine with spaghetti. This sauce tastes so good. You can even eat this on its own. You can pair it with white rice, virtually everything. Let me know if you'll be trying this out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye.